Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, running boards, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, power sunroof, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.